Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a jellyfish mech.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our black marker to draw with, then we're using our alcohol-based markers to color with.
And marker paper to draw on.
Yeah, all right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw a circle for our jellyfish's face. I was gonna say mech
Mouth.
face.
Oh.
Yeah, mouth, or a robot face. So I'm gonna draw a circle in the middle of my paper. And you could change the funny face too. I think we should add another circle though before we draw the face.
Okay.
We'll draw it smaller inside of the first one. And then let's draw a little smile and eyes. You could change this face though. Maybe it's angry, or you could make it more robotic. This is just a cartoon face. Then we can draw the little bolts holding it in. We're gonna draw bolts all over our little robot. So I got one on top, bottom, left and right, and then we can do little ones in between. Okay, now let's draw the jellyfish body. We're gonna start here, and I'm gonna draw it coming over and down. A big upside down letter U. Then let's draw it coming out on each side. And then we can draw a short line down. I'm going to make it, a little longer on each side. Then we can draw a line coming across and connecting. Then let's draw a short diagonal line in on both sides. I'll make it a little longer. There we go. Yeah, and then we can connect those two. We'll go across and connect. Okay, now let's draw the little wings or fins on the side. I'm going to draw two short lines coming out on the left and then matching coming out on the right. And then we can draw a curve to connect those. Oh, this one on this side got a little taller. That's okay.
Same with me.
Yeah, that one's a lot bigger. Then we could draw two more shorter lines coming out. These are closer together. This is the little mechanical fins, so it can swim better. There we go. Diagonal line coming up on both sides. Then let's do a short diagonal line coming down on each side. And then we'll draw a long coming out, directly out, and then a short one to be right in line with it. And then we can do the same thing over here. Short, and then a long one at the bottom to come in line with it. Yeah, and then let's connect those together. Nice. Now let's also draw a little periscope on top too. I'm going to draw a small rectangle shape. Okay, then let's draw the little periscope. We'll draw a short line here and then a longer line next to it coming up. And then I'm actually going to go all the way over too. An upside down L. We like drawing upside down letters.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw a short line to come out and match. And then we can draw a circle to connect those. We could also draw another little circle inside. And then I'm going to draw another curve right here. We need a lot more of these little part lines. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line here and then a short line in and then match over here. Diagonal line and short line. Then let's draw a line going across and connecting to the fins. And then let's draw a diagonal line coming down, connecting there, and we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, let's draw more of these bolts. And we can do one in each corner here, and then I'm gonna add two here on each side, and then maybe one right here. Oh, and you could really put these anywhere.
Yeah.
I added the last two right there. Yeah, okay, then let's draw a line here. I'm going to draw a line here and here. Oh, let's do some on the fin. I'm going to draw a crazy one. I'll go down, over, down, then out. Let's see if we can match on this side. Down, little over, little down, and then out.
Yeah.
We got it. Okay, what's our little jellyfish missing?
The tentacles.
Yeah,
Or the
let's-
little, I don't know what they're called.
Mechanical tentacles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's start here in the middle, and we could draw one coming down to the right. And then at the very end, let's draw a weird kind of jelly bean shape at the end. And then let's draw one coming off to the left. And then I'm gonna draw another little jelly bean, but going the other way. Okay, let's add more. I'm gonna add another one coming out further this way. And you could change these. They don't have to be the same as mine. And then a little jelly bean at the end. I'm gonna go a little faster and repeat the same step, but draw these coming out on the other side too. And I'm gonna change the jelly beans too, the little shapes. I'm gonna add two more. So one right here. And if you need to, if we're going really fast for you, you could pause the video for more time. I'm gonna draw the last little jelly bean way over here. And then on this side, I'm gonna draw two more also. This is looking awesome. What else could our art friends add to their jellyfish mechs?
Maybe a laser gun.
Ooh, that would be awesome. Well, I know what I'm gonna add, an extra little detail on the jelly beans. I'm gonna add a little circle on the side.
It really looks like beans.
Yeah, now it does.
It looks like actual beans.
Yes. Yeah, jelly beans or beans have the little, like a little white
Inside
spot.
white
yeah.
spot thing.
Yeah. And then this tentacle is raised up, like he's waving to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do one more thing to make these tentacles more 3D. I'm gonna add curves going up. I'm gonna draw them going this way, all the way up on each little arm or leg. What are these, arms?
Yeah, arms.
We did it, we finished drawing our jellyfish mech, except we still need to
Color them.
Yes, my favorite. This part we'll fast forward again, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little mech, our jellyfish mech.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it turned out so cool. I hope our friends will take time to color the drawings. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring.
You could also add a background.
Yeah, you could draw a whole underwater scene.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, and you could also make more underwater mechs.
Ooh, yeah.
Like a
Fish.
Fish mech.
A seahorse.
Seahorse, yeah. And maybe even some coral.
Ooh.
Mech coral would be weird.
Yeah, it would be. Bunch of tubes.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a jellyfish mech.
I'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.